Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot, just like this one here today. If you'd like to see a full description and over 40 pictures of the specific unit or anything else we have in our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2011 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi motor with just over 40,000 miles, guys. Yes, that's right. It's a 2011 with just at 40,000 miles. This truck is extremely clean and in very good condition and at an amazing price. Starting on the front, you're going to notice you do have your front chrome bumper on the front along with your front chrome grille. The paint on this thing on the hood and all the way around this vehicle, I couldn't find one scratch, one dent, just overall an extremely nice vehicle. Tires seem to have some decent tread left, I would say about 50%. And then you do have your standard, I believe that's a 16-inch steel wheel, or that's a 17-inch wheel right there. You do have the aftermarket step-up bars located on the each side of the vehicle. This is a quad cab, so it does have the 4 doors, as you can see there, and it does have a black tonneau cover on top of the rear bed. Also, you're going to notice you do have your chrome rear bumper, trailer tow hitch, and you're going to have your 4 and 7-pin wiring hookup located right here. This vehicle is gray in color, and with this 5.7 liter Hemi, this motor's been around since 2005. It is an amazing motor, and for a truck, a crew cab, especially being 4-wheel drive, you're going to get pretty good gas mileage. And with this particular truck having just at 40,000 miles on it, the payment on this is going to be crazy cheap for a crew cab 4-wheel drive truck just like this with 40,000 miles on it. It does have power side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. It does have the, looks like aftermarket upgraded Husky liners, floor mats on the 2 front seats. This vehicle does have automatic overhead headlights. And there's the odometer, as you can see there, 40,439 as of right this second. So very low miles. This vehicle wasn't hardly drove at all. It does have factory cruise control on it, and it also does have an upgraded rear trailer brake control located right here. This is a turn knob 4-wheel drive system. So right here beside your steering wheel / gear shifter, you do have a turn knob 4-wheel drive lock on high, and then obviously a 4-wheel drive low too. AM FM satellite radio, guys. It does have CD capability. It has auxiliary capability. Over 6 programmable sets for your channels. It does also have Bluetooth capability, so you could download your phone directly into this vehicle. Simply hit the phone button, have your conversation directly through your speaker system in this truck. Another really nice feature to have. It blows extremely hot air. It's 8 degrees here in Ohio right now. Everything seems to be working. All the speeds seem to be working as they should, along with the dials. For the AC and heat. I put it on AC. I heard the compressor did kick on, but obviously I can't tell you if there's any Freon in there considering it's 8 degrees outside. Everything seems to work as far as I couldn't find one thing on this truck that does not work. Power windows all work, power locks all work. Everything seems to be in basically brand new condition. You can tell by the floor on this thing, it looks like it's never even been sat in. Passenger seat, same as the driver, just extremely good shape. And it does have a center seat, so this can actually seat up to 6 people total if you'd like, or you can leave that center console down for a 5-passenger, and it does have storage underneath that armrest located right there. So overall, just a pretty basic truck, but it does have some really nice standard features on it. But most importantly, it's in impeccable condition, absolutely perfect. As you can see, the rear floor is in amazing shape, no stains, no rips, no tears, no wear marks, no nothing. Same with the rear bench, absolutely perfect shape, and that bench does fold up for some storage located underneath that seat, as you can see there. So overall, just an extremely nice truck and a very, very hard truck to find. It's especially considering it's got the 5.7 liter Hemi, it's the 4-wheel drive, it's a crew cab, it's got just over 40,000 miles on it, 0 rust on this thing, no dents, no scratches, just an overall absolutely beautiful truck. So if you're looking for a low payment on a crew cab truck, this is definitely the one for you. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured, just like this truck, that you don't miss all of our brand new arrivals, because this one will not last long. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you want to see all the still pictures of this and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.